Flowers aren't only attractive in a garden, but can serve a vital role when it comes to the vegetable garden.
A vegetable garden doesn't have to be all green and rows of produce. Add a few flowers and all of a sudden it's alive with color, pollinators and personality. Flowers aren't just decorative. They play an important role in keeping your garden healthy and productive. Let's start with marigolds. These bright, cheerful blooms are a must-have for any veggie patch. They help repel aphids, whiteflies, and nematodes, especially around tomatoes, beans, and peppers. Plant them in full sun, about 20 centimeters apart. Keep the soil well drained. The more you deadhead the faded flowers, the more they'll bloom. They love heat and thrive right through the hottest part of summer. Next, nasturtiums. Colorful, edible, and so easy to grow. Their peppery leaves and flowers are great in salads, but even better, they act as a trap crop, drawing pests like aphids away from your veggies. They prefer poor soil, need very little feeding, and love a sunny spot. You can let them trail along pathways or spill over raised beds. They bring a relaxed, natural charm to any garden. And then, for a touch of romance in the veggie patch, add roses. It might sound unusual, but roses attract pollinators like bees and create a beautiful, fragrant backdrop beside your vegetables. Choose compact or shrub varieties that won't overshadow your crops. Plant them in sunny, open ground with plenty of compost mixed into the soil. Water deeply, but not too often. It's better to soak the roots well once or twice a week than to sprinkle daily, and prune lightly after each flush of blooms to keep them strong. So, between marigolds, nasturtiums, and roses, you'll have plenty of beauty, biodiversity, and natural pest control working together. Let your plants grow strong and your spaces grow beautiful.